Welcome to Nifty Notions from So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and I love to stay organized. Boxes, bags, bins, doesn't matter. I like to stay organized. I like to have everything for one project in one container. And that way, no matter when I grab it, I know everything's there. I'm not having to look around for things. And this really saves a lot of time in the long run. So I organize not only things in my sewing, but in my own personal life. And I have found a bag that I really like because it is breathable. I do like making my own bags and containers, but I do like these particular bags. They're nice to look at, but when you look really close, they are mesh bags. And the mesh is a real mesh, so it has holes in it, which means whatever I put in these bags will breathe. They have these flat bottoms, so they do sit up when you need them to. You can see through them enough to know what's in them, but they still have a nice look to them. This mesh is made out of nylon, which means anything that I keep in these bags will be breathable. I don't like plastic bags for the fact that it is not breathable. If I'm going to use any type of a plastic container, it is only for a short period of time. I do like the air to keep everything fresh. So I have knitting stored in them. I have my English paper piecing stored, my cross-stitching supplies, and when I travel, I do like them for traveling. I will put an entire outfit in one bag. And that way everything's not mixed up in my suitcase. I can just take that one bag and everything that I need is going to be in that bag. It helps me stay organized and it's neat and tidy. But they have come up with a really large bag, which I'm really excited about. These nylon mesh bags are made by Lori Holt from Bee in My Bonnet. And wait till you see how big this bag is. This bag is so big, it really does fit a lot of my other bags. And I still have room inside. It's 16 inches by 18 inches, and it has a big 6.5-inch bottom. This size would be a great size for bringing to the beach. And we can hose it down when we need it cleaned. So they pretty much have a size for everything that we are going to need. They look nice, they travel nice, and they're breathable. I'll put a link in the description if you'd like to check out these bags, and thank you for joining me today on Nifty Notions. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're talking about next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.